Alright, so this is PA3, where we take a circular cue and pass commands back and forth between the game thread and the audio thread. So here's the command pattern I've implemented, and then the circular cue as well, just enqueuing and dequeuing. Then you have your sound managers, etc. So let me go ahead and just kick off the demo. Alright, so what you heard was a shotgun being pretty loud, coming in from both sides through the center, and then you heard a scream coming through the right speaker at a normal volume, and then an oboe coming through the left speaker at a low volume. And so what we did for the demo is, right, for the game, we are, loading up buffers and creating sounds, and then we are in this update thread looking for things on the queue, taking them off the queue, and then if it's a send sound type of command, we are then just checking and seeing what kind of sound it is. If it's an oboe, we're panning left. If it's a shotgun, we're increasing the volume. If it's screen, we're panning right. And then it's enqueuing that back to the audio thread. So what the audio thread is doing is all it's doing is just dequeuing all the commands off the circular queue. And then there is a special condition that if it's a create sound command, then it passes back the sound call so that the user can specify what to, what type of sound call to adjust for back on the game thread. So that's it. The other thing is handles. So the sound calls have the handle inside them right here, and then you can see each one of these has a handle status so that it checks to see if the resource has been there or not. The last thing is the sound manager, which has many sound calls. Each one of these calls to the sound manager will also lock the sound manager table. So in addition, you're locking the sound call, but you're also locking the sound manager. And so that's it for PA3.